Hey y'all, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and I have two really quick car hauls. I went to the Dollar Tree, of course, and I went to Goodwill again. I did do a Goodwill haul also today that I went to, I think, like a week or a week and a half ago. This Goodwill haul, I'm literally sitting in their parking lot doing this haul. So let's get started. All right, guys. So if you watched my recipe books, how to make them out of the Dollar Tree little photo albums, I love recipe books, but I found this. So this says Cooking Traditions. It was $2.99. Unfortunately, the red, I don't think I got anything red. For some reason, I think they switch up the colors or something because I never find the ones that I need in that color. So here's Cooking Traditions. And it says it was, I think, $8.99 or something. What does it say? Actually, yeah. It says it was $8.99 wherever it was. I thought there was a date on here somewhere because I thought it was kind of old. I can't remember. The stuff on it makes it look kind of old also. Anyways, it doesn't matter. So when you open it up, you have a notepad. So there's a pocket here. So here is a notepad. And I think these are magnets right there. And then on this side, you have the Cooking Traditions, and it says a recipe keeper. And it is still brand new, guys. So it is still, everything is still in here like that. So it's still all wrapped up. It's by Debbie Mum. Again, I don't know. It's by New Seasons. But even the outside, if you can see, the sheen is still in plastic. So I got this one for $2.99. I got this one that I think is absolutely beautiful. It says Cooking Traditions from the Heart. So this one was also $2.99. And again, still in its original packaging. So here is the notebook and the beautiful little, like I said, I think that they are magnets. And then this still in its packaging. So in its packaging, it has like the things: appetizers, soups and salads, main dishes. It even has its own little recipe pages in here. How much of this equals that. It has those. It has cooking terms in here. You guys, it has everything in here. It has the introduction, everything. It even has like the plastic thing over the front page. So I got that for $2.99. And then I believe these two are also the same as the first one. Let me see. Wait, let me see what the first one looked like. No, it's not. Are any of them the same? No, they're all different. So we'll go through all of them. So here is this one that says Recipe Keeper. And this one says Betty Crocker on it. So when you open up this one, same idea. It has the notepad and then the 3 magnets right there. And it's still in its wrapping. And then this one just says Recipe Keeper, and it has like some peaches on it. And then when you open it up on the inside, it has the notepad and the 3 magnets, and again, in its original wrapping. So I got all 3 of these for $2.99 each, which I think is an amazing steal. I don't know if I'll be able to get them all back in right now. I think that's an amazing, amazing deal. So I got those. Ugh. And is it just me, or does, I feel like Goodwill, like they get that stuff for free? I don't know. I just feel like they charge a lot. But anyways, these say they are normally $5.99. I got these for $2.99. They are 2-piece spatula sets. They were on clearance for $1.19. That's funny. Whenever, and now Goodwill put them at $2.99. Exactly my points of, they charge a little too much sometimes. So anyways, it has lemons. It's lemon yellow. It's cute. And this goes with my recipe cards. I had in my recipe thing, I think I got 50 cards, and I think I paid $10 for each set. So I got 100 cards for $20. This was $2.99, and it has a whole thing of recipes. So we're going to open it real quick, and we're just going to see if they're all different cards or if they're all the same. So there are a couple here. This says there are 20 of these, and they have like the little honey thing, just very cute. So they are by Studio 18. So there are a couple of those. here are a couple of these ones. Again, they are by Studio 18, and there are 20 in here. That's more. So it looks like they're all the same for those ones. Oops, I'm dropping everything. So there are, let's see, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200 cards in here for $3. And these are by Studio 18, and they are the stickers that go with them, with the recipe cards. So there's those ones, and they are the 3D stickers, and it just says it's dimensional stickers. There are 8. Here are some more that have 8 in them that go with the recipe cards, and then the last one have 8s also. So there we go, guys. 100 recipe cards and these 3 things of stickers for $2.99. So I thought that was a good deal. That is all that I found today. There was not a whole lot there. Like I said, I was a little disappointed because, you know, you go through, I know that they get this stuff and that they are giving it to other people, the money that they get, but sometimes I really think that their prices are outrageously marked. You know, I can blatantly see some things from the Dollar Tree and they'll mark it to like $3.99, and I'm like, you know, a lot of times what happens is it's usually the poorer people, I guess, that go to Goodwill. And so, like, they can't even afford that. And so, let me just put this. So I think that going to Goodwill, thrifting, and then if you can resell it, that's amazing. Like, that's a great job. But I start to wonder if Goodwill catches on to that, so they're pricing up things. So now the people that are going there to actually buy for themselves because they're poor are having to pay the upselling prices because, sorry, I have to turn my hair on. I'm wondering if they're having to start paying the upselling prices because people are taking it and selling it versus the people that are like keeping it for themselves. So I am not against like buying it and reselling it, whatever, but I'm just wondering if that's what's maybe marking up the prices, along with people stealing and all that. But I just wonder if that's not why, because like I said, when I go in there, sometimes I'm like, that price is like outrageous. Like, what poor person or person that doesn't have a whole lot of money is going to be able to pay for that? Or even things like, even if you have like a lot of money to pay for things, the thing is, like my son grows extremely fast. I like to buy Ross and TJ Maxx and stuff. I'm not spending a lot of money on his clothes because he grows too fast. So again, people that have money but are going in there to buy because their kids are growing too fast and they don't want to have to spend a lot, are paying a lot more now. And I don't know what's happening, but I was a little surprised by this Goodwill's prices. So with that being said, I hope everyone is having an amazing day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.